Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates.
What happened to pay homage to the grandson of Ma Bharti who was martyred in the 26 November 2008 Mumbai attack? In a way, Mumbai was held hostage for about 60 hours during the attack, which lasted for 3 days. The security force killed 9 Pakistani terrorists and captured the terrorist Azmal Amir Kashyap alive, who was handed in Pune in the November 2012. This is Black Day in the history of the India, which no one can forget. Today is Friday again. We are here with you, Movement Friday, which means Friday special to share with you. You viewers can also share with us your amazing experience and more reports on our WhatsApp number 9563830285, 9064082784, 86176594487001967279. Play smart, play epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 lot of problem is being faced by Toto walls in Asansol. Instead of that, it has too many advantage. Administration and others should consider over it. E-rickshaw currently compromise 83% of India electric vehicle market. India currently has around 15 lakh e-rickshaw that increased with additional sales of around 11,000 new ones every month. These figures could be much higher as a large percentage is still unregistered. The market is expected to witness a sale of 9.25 lakh e-rickshaw by 2024. The major growth driver behind the tremendous growth are socio-economic and environmental benefits along with the supportive government policy landscape. Socio-economic benefit. The upfront cost of e-rickshaw is quite ice-based. Auto rickshaw, the initial cost of a e-rickshaw is rupees 0.6 1.1 lakh, whereas the cost of ice-based auto rickshaw rupees 1.5 to 3 lakh. Similarly, the running cost for kilometer as compared to rupees 2.1 2.3 a kilometer for ice based rickshaw. The maintenance issue related to e-rickshaw are quite less, which saves maintenance cost. E-rickshaw provide better employment opportunities. Cycle rickshaw driver whose business is swiftly worsening environment benefit. E-rickshaw help migrate air and noise pollution at least 1036.6 tons of carbon dioxide emissions can be measured a day. 3,78,357 ton carbon dioxide annually. If compared, natural gas auto is replaced by e-rickshaw. Supportive policy mission scheme. Continuous support has come through National Electric Mobility Mission 2013, National Urban Livelihood Mission 2013, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana 2015, Smart City Mission 2015, faster adoption of manufacturing of electric vehicle FAME 1 and 2, state electricity vehicle policy in the form of loan regulatory framework and direct subsidy issue with mass development. Despite their mass development, there are several issues associated with the regulation of e-rickshaw. Their components are imported from outside but are assembled in India. These are usually non-standards and assembled in local workshop without complying with standard. Unorganized player sell 10,000 e-rickshaw a month against 1500 to 2000 a month for organized prayer. The e-rickshaw sold by unorganized sector are of poor quality and operate on lead acid battery that needs to be changed after every 6 8 months. The replacement cost per battery is rupees 25,000 to 28,000. The lead acid batteries are usually weigh all close to 80 kilometer, which reduce vehicle mileage as the battery cannot be refurnished. An e-rickshaw owner typically return it to the vendor it has run its batteries life. Are often disposed of carelessly, harming an environment. The union government discounted subsidy for lead acid based e-rickshaw from October 2019 amid fake fame 1. E-rickshaw have proliferated because most of them remain unregistered. India has around 15 lakh e-rickshaw in 2021. Till 2019, only 1.5 lakh were registered. Delhi, for instance, has more 1 lakh e-rickshaw, but only 5,891 are registered. As a result, drivers do not hold a valid license and the safety of the passenger is compromised. The rickshaw and the lack of authorized e-rickshaw charging the facility leads to the power theft. Several unorganized setup in Delhi provide bulk charging at night by doing power theft. The e-rickshaw owner pay fixed money 100 to 150 for parking and charging facility for electric rickshaw market to flourish in a suitable way. A combination of policy and regulatory intervention are needed as discussed below. It is important that manufacturers relook and come up with the better design and mention in a media report for Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways had recently said that the government is ready to fund if the e-rickshaw manufacturers are ready to work with any Indian Institute of Technology for improvement in quality testing norms and design track adherence to safety standard of e-rickshaw. E-rickshaw owners should be asked to show a roadworthiness certificate from their manufacturer or registered e-rickshaw associations along with valid driving license to the regional transport authorities RTA. The RTA can then provide an approval certificate which can be randomly checked by the traffic police as it is done in the case of pollution under per control PUC certificate. The localism of battery manufacturing will help in reducing the overall cost of EV debur. The usage of cheap lead acid battery which is majorly used in e-rickshaw and generate employment opportunity. The government should also soon take a decision on whether to standardize the battery technology or not. It is a critical because uncertainty in the decision will create confusion among the companies seeking to invest in it. If the government delays this decision and investors invest in a non-standardized battery technology, then it will create a huge loss for investors. Winter has knocked the door. It is necessary to care our kids. Some tips on it. However, to dress your kids not like a little adult, parents with babies and younger kids should adjust to winter clothes and children need dress babies and young children in one more layer of clothing than an adult would wear in a same condition. Keep exposure to cold at a minimum. Babies and young children don't have the same to tolerance for cold that adults do. It's important to limit time outside. Don't forget winter accessories. Remember warm boots, gloves or mitts and a hat which make a big difference in keeping young children and babies comfortable. Simple ways to avoid winter cold. It a common myth that cold weather causes cold, but it does not. Cold are caused mainly by the virus that we are more commonly exposed to in the winter. Viruses are expert in the area. Children are in school and close contact with each other typically through respiratory dropped in the air and on hands prevent cold and flu by getting kids to use soap and water. Washing their hands frequently will reduce the spread of germs. Covered their mouth, seasoning or coughing into the bend of their elbow also helps prevent spreading germs. Get immunized. Keep vaccination current, including the flu shot for children 6 months and older. Be safe on sled and snow tubes. Always supervise children in injuries can occur quickly when kids are sledding or snow tubbing. It important to keep a close eyes on them. Kids are sledding on snow tubbing. Keep away from motor vehicles. Often sledding hills are not far from highways or road. It's important to keep a safe distance of sled in a proper form. Kids can prevent injuries by sliding feet feet first or sitting up instead of the laying down and head first. Find a clear area, pick a sliding location that is clear of obstruction like a trees of peasants and is covered in snow. The voting for all municipality in West Bengal will be held until April 30. State Attorney General Somendra Nath Mukherjee said this while hearing a case in the Kolkata High Court on Thursday. On Thursday afternoon, State Election Commissioner Saurav Das issued a notification for the pre-election to be held in the Kolkata on December 19. During the hearing of the public interest petition related to the BJP body vote, questioning in the High Court said that instead of voting in all the municipality of the state, separate election notice were issued by Kolkata municipality. A few weeks ago, BJP leader Pratap Banerjee had filed a appeal in the Kolkata High Court. The issue was why all the municipality of the state are not being voted together at the same time. Why aren't they voting together? On November 18, State Election Commission Council Bharat Satya Sen Gupta told the High Court that the election notice would not be issued till the public interest intensing is pending. BJP lawyer Pinky Anand said during the hearing of Pratap and another PIL on Thursday that the commission had said that they did not want to vote together of COVID status. Voting is taking place in Tripura. No objection to vote, but why was the notification issued even after saying so? He also demanded postponement of the notification of a commission. The Chief Justice wanted to know at the time when will the voting of the other municipality take place. He wants to know. Then the Advocate General of the state had told the court at that time that voting was taking place in Kolkata before the corona situation improved. Voting will be held in the phased manner in all the municipality till April 30. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 70474568855. Call on this number. Mahua. Purulia. Editor Vikas Prasad. According the first Purulia district conference of Kisan Khet Majdoor Trinamool Congress was held on Thursday at Rabindra Bhavan in Purulia for interest of farmer of Purulia district and realization of their right. The conference was related on this day as a victory celebration of agricultural civilization. State President of Kisan Khet Majdoor Trinamool Congress Purendu Basu was present as the chief guest in the conference. From the platform of this conference, 33 well-known celebrity of Purulia district were welcome on this day. The conference was attended by the Western Development Minister of Satyendrani Tundu, Purulia Jila Parishad Chairman Sujoy Banerjee, Jila Parishad ko Parthon Joy Banerjee and Trinamool Congress Bhaltheria, Purulia Municipal Administrator Nabendu Mahili, Jila Parishad Education Officer Gurupado Tundu and Kishan Khet Majdoor Trinamool Congress Purulia District President Prosunjit Mahto and other were present in this conference. About 700 families from various political parties including BJP left the party and joined the Trinamool Congress. State President Purendu Basu and other district President Prosunjit Mahto handed over the party flag to them. He said that he lost faith in BJP and today Kisan Khet Majdoor joined the Trinamool Congress. On the other hand, State President Purendu Basu, who joined the conference, said if the peasant community is not seen properly in the next panchayat election, then the election result will not be as expected. So, right, we have to strengthen the organization. He told them all the stand with the farmer, said movement must be done in their interest. The fight for interest of farmer and their right has to be done side by side.
তার প্রতিবাদে দিল্লির ইতিহাসে যা কোনোদিন হয়নি, সারা রাত জেগে আমাদের এমপিরা এবং অন্যান্য দলের এমপি যারা সমর্থন করেছিলেন আমাদের, তারা এর আগে কোনোদিন হয়নি। আমরা আন্দোলনের জয় বলছি কেন? কৃষকরা যে নরেন্দ্র মোদী ঘোষণা করলেন, যে ভাবটা এলো, সেই ভাবটা হচ্ছে যে এটা কৃষক আন্দোলনের জয়। সে যখন একটা সাইকেল, একটা হাড়ি, একটা জাল এগুলো যখন পাচ্ছে, বা বরফ দিয়ে মাছ রাখার জায়গা এটা যখন পাচ্ছে, তখন তো সেটা তার আয় হলো। এই হিসেবগুলো করতে হবে। আমরা প্রতি জমি, সেই জমিতে চাষ করার জন্য মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় নতুন একটা প্রকল্প গ্রহণ।
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Free Mega Health Camp in Salanpur Block, Salanpur. A free Mega Health Camp was held at a aesthetic hall of Salanpur Block, keeping in mind the health of the poor people. Mohammad Arman, co-president of Salanpur Panchayat Samiti, Vidyut Mishra, social worker Bhola Singh and Arup Sakhit also present were Dr. Mukesh Kumar Agarwal, Dr. SP Singh, Dr. Manisha Sekhar, Dr. Dipesh Chatterjee.
এবার আমাদের শিবির শুরু হতে চলেছে। এবার আমরা আমাদের শিবিরটি শুরু করছি। ক্যান্সার, এছাড়া ইসিজি, সিবিজি, রক্তচাপ এবং ওজন পরীক্ষা করা হবে। সমবেত সবাইকে আমি বলছি, আপনারা নিয়ম শৃঙ্খলাটা একটু মেনে আমাদেরকে
Coaching for Medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 9832824975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Minister Mamata Banerjee organized a self-styled seminar with a special empowerment. A 5-day handicraft fair started at Ravindra Bhavan in Asansol on Wednesday. The fair was organized by Asansol Municipal Corporation, Durgapur Municipal Corporation of UDMA Department of State Government. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. ADPC transfer of 22 SI, 1 ASI including several tender. Fadi in charge a total of 23 police officers including 22 sub-inspector and 1 assistant sub-inspector have been transferred in his Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat. Among the names mentioned in this, Asansol North Police Station in charge Manojit Dhara has been given a Qatar, but he has been sent as a general sub-inspector in Chittaranjan Police Station. Tanmay Rai has been made in charge of Uttar Thana. Mahila Police Station in charge Ananya Dekho has been made in charge of Durgapur Mahila Police Station. Chaurangi OP in charge Promeet Ganguly has been shifted to Asansol South Police Station. Arpita Majumdar has been made in charge of Asansol Mahila Thana.
Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760.
The incident took place on Thursday in the area of adjacent of Salanpur station of Asansol division of Eastern Railway. Upon receiving the news, the Asansol Railway Police went to the area and recovered the 2 bodies and brought them to Asansol District Hospital for autopsy. The deceased have been identified as the Pratik Khan Nag, age 32, of Jimari Nagpara of Barabani Police Station.
News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/700196727 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758.
I am presenting SMS of News Movement. I follow everyone back.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.